Today is a Wednesday, and the Beet factory opens on Friday, so we will be doing beets very soon. We're trying to get as much corn done as we can. As you can see, I'm ripping the cornfield that we did this weekend. This is pretty early day corn, so it was around 18, 19. It's starting to rain and cool down a lot. The temperature at night is supposed to be like in the 30s, like 50s during the day. Last fall was miserable. So if it's nothing like last fall, I'll be so happy. Oh, and my computer is out of commission right now. It is time, everybody. It is time. First day of beet harvest. You're running like a moron. Oh. There. We opened this field last night. I got a full dump cart, and I'm putting it on the other cart. And when that truck gets to this end, I'll probably top it off. Usually I was driving truck, but we got some help to do that. I'm just running around the field doing some random stuff. We just had to fix a broken link on the harvester. So that was the morning wake-up call. And now we're dumping. Well, that was fun. Just sitting here waiting. I'm needed, but I'm not. And we have had 2 breakdowns, both lasting under 10 minutes probably.
Mitchell, you want to head to the north end? He's finally got enough to finish them off.
I will do that, Luke. November 5th, and we're gonna get them all done today, hopefully. Everything's coming to an end. We kind of asked for better weather this fall. We haven't had any major breakdowns. Everything's going good. Yeah, I hope everyone else's harvest went well. All right, thanks for watching as always. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because I don't really regularly post, and you won't ever see me post unless you hit the bell. So do that, and if you're subscribed, also do that. I'm sorry I don't post more, but this is just how it is.